Welcome to Megamation Direct Line Training. This video will look at the Site and Building Entry screen. To access the Site and Building Entry, go to Module, Equipment, Sites, Buildings and Rooms, Site and Building Entry. The Site and Building Entry screen is used to create new site or building records. Site and building records are where information is stored about physical buildings or sites such as garden areas or parking lots that make up a facility and which work orders will be done against. These sites and buildings will show up in the equipment hierarchy as an equipment record is automatically created whenever a site or building is entered. To begin entering a site or building, enter a new building number in the building/site field. This is the unique identifier for the record, so it has to be different for each site or building. The building site number can be made up of numbers, dashes, or letters, or a combination of the three. Building a site name is an open text field used to enter a short description of the building or site. For example, South Street Elementary School or West Parking Lot. The class will default to building, but can be changed by clicking the drop-down and choosing from the list of available equipment classes. This is the same class list found in the equipment module and can be edited under the administration module. The rest of the information in the building a site entry screen is not mandatory, as it is all white fields and can be filled in as needed. The area section is where information about the size of the building might be stored. The structural section is where information about the construction of the building, such as the year completed or last renovation. Area and structural information is all free text fields, so they are filled in by simply typing in the respective fields. The general section contains two drop-downs for category. The general section contains two drop-downs for category/family and superintendent. These drop-down lists can be populated in the administration module. Then choose from the list by single-clicking a line item and clicking OK. The building address field is an open text field where the address of the building would be typed or pasted. Use radio buttons at the bottom right of the screen to choose page 2. On page 2, enter contact information for main contacts of the building or site, such as managers or principals. Also on page 2, store information about any satellite buildings related to this building. Page 3 contains information about the building or site, such as parking and cost information. Page 4 is made up of three text fields where notes about roof, foundation, and boiler can be made. Page 5 is made up of three text fields where notes about HVAC, mechanical, and electrical systems can be made. Page 6 contains information related to hazardous materials for the hazardous materials module. See the hazardous materials module training video for more information. Page 7 contains one text box for general comments about the building or site. This is an open text field and will only accept text, no pasting of pictures or spreadsheets. After all required information has been entered, click the Save button at the top left-hand corner, or click File, Save, or hit the Save shortcut key on the keyboard. The screen is now cleared and ready to enter another building or site.